Fleck 5600SXT whole house system. This is a hard to beat product and is probably the best water softener if you're looking for a whole house system. The Fleck 5600SXT is a whole house system that's effective and low maintenance because of its impeccable design. It's our top pick for several reasons. First, the electronic valve is the best available. Secondly, its reliability is found on a 48,000 grain capacity in addition to the high quality materials. This size and quality are hard to find anywhere else. Finally, besides needing salt added every couple of months, this unit requires virtually no maintenance. It's extraordinarily self-sufficient. The resin tank is rinsed and replenished automatically with 4 modes available, so you can adjust it to your household's specific needs. But where Fleck really brings in the win is with their warranty. The valve comes with a 5-year warranty, while the tank has a 10-year warranty. These features make it the best water softener on the market.